In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the thickness and color of a horizontal rule line in your website using custom CSS in Chrome. To get started, open your website's main interface and make sure you're inside the workspace where your site editing tools are available. From there, locate the Tools panel and open the Custom CSS editor. This is the area where you can add styling rules that change the appearance of elements across your site without editing each one manually. Using Chrome for this process can make things a bit smoother, especially if that's the browser you normally use for site editing. Once you're in the style sheet input area, click into the editor so your cursor is active and ready for text entry. This is where you'll paste the CSS code that targets the horizontal rule element. The code you'll use is .sqs block horizontal rule hr/height 6 pixel. Important. Background color mash zoyu uzo us. Important. Border none. Important. This styling block tells your website exactly how to display that horizontal line. The height value controls the thickness of the rule, so in this example, the line will appear 6 pixels tall. The background color is set to black using the hex code shown here, and the border is removed entirely so the line looks clean and solid instead of using any default browser or template styling. After pasting the code into the custom CSS editor, take a moment to review it carefully. Even a small typo in CSS can prevent the style from working properly, so it's a good idea to make sure the punctuation, braces, and semicolons are all in place. If your site has multiple horizontal lines, this rule is designed to affect that specific horizontal rule block style consistently. You can also adjust the values to better match your design goals. For example, if you want a thinner divider, reduce the height number. If you want a bolder visual break between sections, increase it slightly. You can also replace the black color code with any color that fits your layout and branding. This gives you a simple but effective way to make your page elements feel more intentional and visually polished. Once everything looks the way you want, click Save to apply the changes. After saving, check the live preview or refresh your page to confirm the updated horizontal rule appears correctly. That's it, you've successfully customized your horizontal divider using custom CSS.